Hey gearheads, Jay Leno here. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of the internal combustion engine, or ICE as it's commonly known. This powerhouse has been the backbone of our transportation for over 100 years, and its story is nothing short of remarkable. Let's talk about the internal combustion engine, or ICE. This marvel of engineering has transformed the way we live, work, and travel. It's not just a piece of machinery, it's a symbol of human ingenuity and progress. This incredible invention has been the driving force behind our world for over a century. From the bustling streets of New York to the remote villages in Africa, the ICE has made its mark everywhere. From the first sputtering prototypes to the high-performance engines of today, the ICE has come a long way. Imagine the excitement of those early days when inventors were just beginning to unlock the potential of this new technology. It all started in the late 19th century. Back then, the world was a very different place. Horses and carriages were the primary means of transportation, and the idea of a self-propelled vehicle was revolutionary. Think dusty workshops and ingenious inventors. These were the pioneers who dared to dream big, who saw the potential for a new kind of power that could change the world. Names like Otto and Diesel were making history. Nicholas Otto developed the first successful four-stroke engine, while Rudolf Diesel created the highly efficient diesel engine. Their contributions laid the foundation for the modern ICE. They were developing the first practical internal combustion engines. These early models were far from perfect, but they represented a giant leap forward in technology. These early engines were rudimentary. They were noisy, inefficient, and prone to breaking down. But they held the promise of a new era of power and mobility. People began to see the potential for these machines to transform their lives, making travel faster and more convenient. The early 20th century saw the rise of the automobile. Cars began to appear on city streets and country roads, changing the landscape of transportation forever. The internal combustion engine was at the heart of this revolution. It powered the vehicles that gave people newfound freedom and mobility. Cars like the Ford Model T brought personal transportation to the masses. Henry Ford's assembly line made it possible to produce cars quickly and affordably, putting them within reach of ordinary people. The roar of an engine became synonymous with progress and freedom. It was a sound that signaled the dawn of a new era, one where people could travel farther and faster than ever before. Over the decades, the ICE has undergone countless refinements. Engineers and designers have worked tirelessly to improve its performance, efficiency, and reliability. We've seen advancements in materials, design, and manufacturing. Modern engines are more powerful, efficient, and environmentally friendly than ever before. Yet the basic principle remains the same. Controlled explosions create power. This simple yet powerful idea has stood the test of time, driving us forward for over a century. It's a testament to the ingenuity of those early pioneers. Their vision and determination have left a lasting legacy that continues to shape our world, and it's a technology that continues to evolve today. As we look to the future, the internal combustion engine remains a vital part of our journey, constantly adapting and improving to meet the challenges of a changing world. Now let's talk about what goes into these mechanical marvels. Engines are the heart of any machine, and their construction is a fascinating blend of art and science. Building an engine requires a symphony of materials, each chosen for its unique properties. These materials must work in harmony to ensure the engine runs smoothly and efficiently. Early engines relied heavily on cast iron. This material was the backbone of the Industrial Revolution, providing the necessary strength and durability. It was readily available and could withstand the high temperatures and pressures inside an engine. The foundry process of casting iron was well established, making it a go-to material for early engineers. But cast iron was heavy, and engineers were always looking for ways to improve performance. Enter aluminum alloys. These materials revolutionized engine design by offering a significant reduction in weight. Lighter and more thermally conductive, aluminum became a game-changer in engine construction. The casting process for aluminum allowed for more intricate designs, leading to more efficient engines. It allowed for higher compression ratios and improved efficiency. This meant engines could produce more power while consuming less fuel, a win-win for both performance and economy. Of course, we can't forget about steel. This versatile material is essential in many engine components. This workhorse material is found in crankshafts, connecting rods and valves, components that need exceptional strength and durability. Steel's ability to withstand high stress and fatigue makes it indispensable. And for those extreme performance applications, titanium steps in. This metal is used in high-performance and racing engines where every gram counts. It's lightweight and incredibly strong, perfect for high-revving race engines. The machining process for titanium is complex, but the benefits in performance are undeniable. Today, we're even seeing plastics and composites playing a role. These materials are not just for reducing weight, but also for providing design flexibility. They offer weight savings and design flexibility. Composites can be molded into complex shapes that metals cannot, opening up new possibilities in engine design. From the engine block to the intake manifold, material science continues to shape the evolution of the internal combustion engine. As we look to the future, the quest for better materials will drive innovation, leading to engines that are more powerful, efficient, and environmentally friendly. Designing an engine is a delicate dance between power, efficiency, and emissions. It's about squeezing every ounce of performance out of a controlled explosion. And it all starts with an idea, a spark of inspiration that sets the wheels in motion. In the past, engineers relied on slide rules and drafting tables. Today, it's all about computer-aided design, or CAD. These powerful software programs allow engineers to create intricate three-dimensional models of engines. They can test different designs and optimize performance before a single piece of metal is cut, but the digital world is just the beginning. Once the design is finalized, it's time to build a prototype. This is where theory meets reality. The prototype is put through its paces on a test bench. Engineers monitor its performance, making adjustments and fine-tuning the design. It's a rigorous process of trial and error, but it's the only way to ensure that the final product meets the demanding requirements of a modern internal combustion engine. Section 4, from molten metal to precision parts, the ICE production line. This is where raw materials are transformed into the heart of a vehicle, the internal combustion engine. The process is a fascinating blend of age-old techniques and cutting-edge technology. Now let's step onto the factory floor, where the real magic happens. Here, the air is filled with the hum of machinery and the focused energy of skilled workers. It's a place where every detail matters and precision is paramount. Manufacturing an engine is a complex ballet of precision engineering. Each component must fit together perfectly, like pieces of a puzzle. Engineers and technicians work with meticulous care, ensuring that every part meets exact specifications. It involves a symphony of machines working in perfect harmony. Robotic arms move with choreographed precision, assembling parts with speed and accuracy that would be impossible by hand. This automation ensures consistency and quality in every engine produced. The journey begins with casting. This ancient technique has been refined over centuries, and today it combines traditional craftsmanship with modern technology. Molten metal is poured into molds, creating the basic shapes of the engine block, cylinder heads, and other components. This is the first step in giving form to the raw materials, transforming them into something that will eventually power a vehicle. It's a hot and demanding process, requiring careful control of temperature and flow. Foundry workers must be vigilant, monitoring every aspect to ensure the quality of the castings. Next comes forging, another critical step in the production line. Here, red-hot metal is hammered and pressed into shape, creating components like crankshafts and connecting rods. The intense heat and pressure reshape the metal, enhancing its strength and durability. Forging aligns the grain structure of the metal, resulting in parts that are incredibly strong and durable. This process is essential for components that must withstand the high stresses and strains of engine operation, but the raw castings and forgings are just the beginning. These rough shapes must be refined and perfected through machining. They need to be machined to precise tolerances. This is where computer numerical control, or CNC machines, come into play. These advanced machines use computer-guided tools to cut and shape the metal with incredible accuracy. CNC machines come to life. They're cutting tools shaping the metal with incredible accuracy. This precision is crucial, as even the smallest deviation can affect the performance and reliability of the engine. Finally, the components are treated to a variety of surface treatments. These treatments are designed to enhance the properties of the metal, making it more durable and resistant to wear and corrosion. These treatments enhance durability, corrosion resistance, and even reduce friction. This final step ensures that the engine components will perform reliably under the harsh conditions they will face. It's all about squeezing every last bit of performance out of the engine. Engineers test and retest the components, making sure that each one meets the highest standards of quality and performance. The result is an engine that is not only powerful but also reliable and efficient. The completed engines are then assembled and undergo final inspections. Workers meticulously check each engine, ensuring that it is ready for the road. Once approved, the engines are loaded for shipment, ready to power vehicles around the world. From the factory floor to the open road, the journey of an engine is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of perfection. Each engine is a marvel of engineering, a product of countless hours of labor and expertise. And so the next time you start your car, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey that engine has taken. From molten metal to precision parts, it's a story of transformation, innovation, and excellence. Section 5. No room for error. Quality control in engine manufacturing. In the world of internal combustion engines, precision is paramount. A few thousandths of an inch can mean the difference between a smooth-running engine and a catastrophic failure. That's why quality control is so critical at every stage of the manufacturing process. It starts with the raw materials. Every batch of metal is rigorously tested to ensure it meets the required specifications. Then, throughout the manufacturing process, components are subjected to a battery of inspections. Specialized tools like coordinate measuring machines, or CMMs, use lasers to measure dimensions with microscopic accuracy. Ultrasonic testing looks for hidden flaws within the metal, and pressure testing ensures that components can handle the extreme forces they'll encounter inside an engine. It's a meticulous process, but it's essential for ensuring the reliability and longevity of every engine that rolls off the production line. Because when it comes to engines, there's no room for compromise.